It's back here Tuesday, my brand video, and I'm Okatakyie Afrifa, you're betting for the second time by National Security Council, National Investigative Bureau, any cybercrime agents, Omo Abecheno. Emma Mesabrema, another video, I'm telling you, Omo Jano. It's because the train for part 3, because part 3 will be the account of Okatakyie Afrifa as to why they came to arrest him for the second time. It's an Oba Live, no Oba Live, and Obetri with DNT, Omo Ebefan Ko Ebim. Na ninchiremu de abusia enye ize ochiremu se eye Sammy Gyamfi ene ne Kevin Taylor ene Okatakyie Afrifa no ne ex-girlfriend Vicky Sugar this plotting against him. In fact, Exposéd here Okatakyie edibi aba pay aha Penyah broad media message any day mo oba like video no na roma oba subscribe button so oba click notification icon for latest updates na ba kire wa dwende ama me e wo comment message so oba so no a share video mo so enya bi ahwe it Tuesday na mrem video am kire say no ya be che Okatakyie Afrifa around 5 getting to 6 and that video ni buy a couple of 7 echo 8 me say brem another video am kire say no omo jano but omo jano no the laptop and the phone so there omo esizi omo afama no am kire say okay once I wa ba fie ni there eye dey akan neke obeba be kire mu die ntia omo sa be fa ne call for the second time because I think say within 1 week ya chi Afrifa 2 times serious eti ene obey live streaming ene o kire mu say ene ex-girlfriend ene ne Sammy Gyamfi ene Kevin Taylor etimu up ene mo de sex extortion case bi code bi ebo no ene ndo format ne to the ex-girlfriend itim Vicky Sugar ene no call police station ekoye case
enyina nchen na case no sextortion enye political persecution ana mebusa say it is a political persecution na nko fra no aka say oh we dey political persecution meti krom ha no amotia no obi the sextortion bi aba apart from say I may galvanize the energy base of the party monye correct people so benefit to that madwene na nya adwuma fire them madwene mo ha when am di party na munni akukuduro na mo di party na fire because they've seen that there's somebody who is galvanizing the support base of the party. So, and we have to find a way to distance him from the masses.
Exactly.
And from the days of old, the only thing we use to massive, and the picture be almost Vicky Sugar, me can't matter day, no almost spread it. I didn't show picture here Vicky hair pray. When your car accident, me and I'm medical hospital. Aye. And Vicky when I see madam for Tumuko Bisano. Sa picture and when your car accident. Zion Felix ni perfunya na this picture ni story say me bu Vicky na fire go see. Zion Felix here. Then ma come. Ono na share sa do yi na say. It is a picture no. And yam na bu Vicky man na yes. The records are there.
Let them know.
Besi mo ntimi fa hwe ntag me. Impossible. Afemi wo ho ni ase a national security from me kodru ho no omo de for galamsi asem ne bai me ntre sextortion bia ni invite me no ase ene me samra national security me kodru ho a be ma tenten gram bi anu aba we need him at the cyber dibia bend division hey ni wo hunu ni pasa na msi asem wa me ne lawyer na koi Dennis Ajejumọ oh you fantastic lawyer pene papa na timi hunu no pene mbranim Dennis menya na kamawu no na ni che kwasasem so you right oze ayi serem sa na be deputy attorney general ko no so ya me lawyer wo la go bo bi no mani jise hunu ntu enti Baby, if you go through hono, I know me yes papa biaba, so we hear more cyber crime debende. Initially, no cry young call a year a headquarters. Oh, my mama swana, Debbie, ya Jenny phones. Hey, ya court warrant. Send yes, idea, ya de set you can teach any phone. Near the search here, nay. Now, so Moody can get access to phone. I get access to laptop. Near commoners you will be built rather than the yak canoa. Near the no trouble thing. Near the book at the chain mass. In Sri Lanka ready. Queenie phone. Me, Okatakyie. When you're Rio, where be a guy, a language line, I got with us. Penyah mensa me de Muhammad Rade ti munsem funu ni nyem go sewe menton cocaine da menton weed da mo krono da kumuni pada o hwehwe fo na ho hwe they want to know who I speak to yenti am me information sa ngo sewe why shiranke Rade Kobi enti ya no mo fa me wow sha ene na wo mo ye no yebusa wo mo say ade asem wo mo say ababa awa bi your friend Dr. Andeli na me say wan so ne Dr. Andeli wo mo say Andeli na say Andeli de me na doctor no na minim so doctor dia ai na ye nua ye no ababa wa ne me de be kire say boy no mo nya make case wo police station a woni ababa wa ni na yini free so ansa meba ho yini free so no mo say Andeli ababa ye report say wo free bibi sextortion and am busa say chess o mo say wo dey na nude pictures ni ade ehurahura no me ehurahura na gedian me say me panu adi no ana me pesika free no ho ana de be ya na wo hu say bi wo sebo a wasi nam ekoso ya ka koso ade ase wo twitwa nam wo ton no obi ameto no se nam na bɔ me so ni ameto anwena de Okatakyie Emma Okatakyie ana me pema no bia ni se me sa kɔ di news kɔ dada wo me nkantema dada mo yare sa pepepe ti se muni hwetia no ni se mo ye ne se ya na me se wo se ma ye dai wo se wo di ne news ni ana me se ne mo mfa evidence ne mra ti ajo mo di ma chi kɔ fie wo mo kɔ di wo ba hwehwe mo hwehwe ye na me phone so mo sisi ye no mo so mo kɔ hwehwe na se bi utrim fitre trim aboa bi anku nya sa mo so nya sa ti wo mo ye ni nyina na me chuodi na me hwehwe wo na ye ni ade e me sere we ni ho da bita na no kura wo mu ne se ababa awawi eya no kura me na twempene jai 6 years ago fa na ni beto so se wa ba are nanim me and Kametuei and Kovi, I'm going to be very measured in the way I address it because minenanya bibia ye pen. Precisely. So I'm not going to talk about you in terms of the negativity I know. So even message na me dey bechere mo. I will try say me call deep down because deep down no details because deep down no I made some commentary which if it comes out, you know, the girl, she knows what I know about her. Exactly. So we are not going to go there. And you are called to be as a defamation. Men do at all. Call a police station or your case. Now your case is a public record. So your name must be mentioned and your picture must be shown. And the defamation. It's almost way now by your reported case at him. Now I said yes, almost was sextortion. Now say me Okatakyie sextortion baby. Okay, so the news and the story is that on the 6th of March, my young sister gay or Yandi cinema pa. It's mon on the Facebook page. Your friend and Sansa Delhi was why a doctor minim the certificate to a dear doctor no. Say Drew Babina says he busan a certificate more than bar. Said you were not in some call a ya brand or take was a penny or two. A man busan for question. Said Drew says he busan the certificate for doctor. Why? And you're not so on the Facebook page. Nyewe we dey send the darling boy Sammy Gyamfi na hye ho to promote no nanti a manya no so ne Sammy Gyamfi ye close pa na me yanam so ene do me market for asem kai no se so ne Sammy Gyamfi ye close dia o ka gold board asem ene ya bia Sammy na ye say nam so we dey bi nyasa Sammy ye menua but I cannot give everything to chance et ababa we your friend and koni page koni social media page no mo hwe ni din Danny and many other power page me fra baba wa we tu ne fo se sanioma we ehu ya jai onyai many ni jam 6 years ago there be for another one another one just so Ghanaians will know that she is an NDC person or you purely NDC and Danny next one koni page next one there be new way share ko page ni so Ejiya na ade be kire wo mo Obi wo ya NDC ni number 1 and they say NDC for ne nam no mo busa wan na wo case ti Okatakyie fabra ne yenya ne no eti ababa wa say sextortion now on the 6th of a year March na me picking winter be about ono ababa wa no Obi tieni o na ba kai a foolish boy ya o sha America ya de bia odidi ni party or the branch be see a young Facebook say branch ni a froster edidi na temo some fair guy bi didi na temo So in the course of doing that, then I got the intel say, Ababa way yes I did. So you see, I feel na my green akosi su say, Kevin Tella kwasi Penyah matela. Obaba di matem nyina because of Ababa. So when the boys came to me, it wasn't even one person. And I picked some intel. Saying why? No more dossier. And go tell you they have a dossier on her.
Precisely.
They have a serious dossier. And she doesn't know. Me boni am ye nyina say. Makai se me no baby a twempena pe. Na me ko na makwa akoka kire ne say. You have to stop some of these things because more fire. And the message is here. I will show it to you. And this is extortion. Mo yare yare. Be say baba o ya ndisi ni mapa. Eti yebehwe WhatsApp chat ni bi. Na from ko do court evidence kro mo no. Na ni mi pa bone sem. Wa e do call police station. Wa sheda edit how the message looked like originally. More fire. And we presented the message as though indeed Ampamena Maker say me when nude videos no. But I did not say that. And it will be shown here.
So
more fire. Mo yare yare. Me ma mo evidence mo fan court. Eh? More fire. Oje. Call. And I'm a friend, me send you a message. And also Dani why NDC. We need to prove that we NDC first before we can continue. And Sansa Dali, on the year report Tiame. Gobi onwa. Per the police records onwa. Now Ababa way say me demand sex. So una yankona yamfa in a WhatsApp chatting because it will be slowing the flow of thought. So on the 7th of March, Anna me call yena me need to free you. So despite the fact that you're joining now, Zoom message you know now so rolling now cross so hard doing. Akwa we ndisi ni ana. So me all the two one was Zoom no rolling na man for na ready. On the 7th of March, me call yena me stop sending your exes to that foolish boy in America to disgrace them. The day they will come, they will team up against you. You may not survive it. An advice from someone who genuinely cares about you, you can ignore it. Because that time I says, "One the boy in the core, yes, he did not come there," and it means me, dear, no, on the McCoy. And over here, Kevin Taylor, the me nigga message, eba the show so, eba yes say, and the young could be a very respectable, mamia, onwa. It me na me udia insult no. I want to tell you this. That kosoro no reading insult to me. Na odi matam sa and I was not interested. So kosoro no reading message no. It will matam then go to the next speech. We will follow the sequential order of the message. And follow. And I kept on advising her because genuinely I care about her.
Precisely. So
maybe no be trempana jaya nyatamfo. It is oh yeah, she kept on insulting it would have an insult no to nchanya no ni here. Na fa baby a me message you want bra. So she kept on insulting. She kept on insulting. Then I just kept on telling her, say, I am looking out for you, and yet I am the one you are attacking. We are normal. And it's in the message. So I wrote, out of genuine love, I am advising you. Some guys have planned against you. They brought it to me. They have no clue I know you. Genuine. Men are me looking out for her. She says that Meme is extorting. More fire. Bobo badam. We know the koi. And wa editing. So when you come amatela, so say ya na bidu. With me at the 35th July. Yes, sir. It was my editing. You might present it to police, you know. Or my editing in such a way that when you read it, it might look like I'm telling her the all Casimir. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. So I said, I'm advising you, and you are insulting me. You are sitting on time bomb. Be careful the way you talk to me. So I was getting furious because of the insult that she kept on doing. And I was getting furious. So I said, be careful the way you talk to me. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. And almost when your friends extortion. I say, I know your biggest secret. Humble yourself and stop destroying people. They are coming after you. So it was not me. I said they are coming after you. Now the entire message in me showing I said, along the line when I got angry, I told them my peace of mind.
Precisely.
Now, in telling them my peace of mind, I blasted them well. And I wouldn't want that. Because some of these things, it would disgrace her.
Precisely.
Now, my man can't chill. Andali, why is I deal with over the period? And then your cocoa drew call a police station or and sans Adali. Only on the page, it's way Kevin Taylor must start in the Dimatemina one. And Kevin Taylor starting the Dimatemina because coincidentally, Ababa way a yes, Sammy Gyamfi now. A branch you saw Kevin Taylor didn't see what did not tell. A branch and the course Sammy Gyamfi was or will be a friend gold soup. It was one in a year gold soup market. And in 2 days, na Kevin Taylor there branch and best one a king, because on energy. Media, I know the secret of the things you are doing, and you know I know. So on the page in here, no campaign man, this is let's vote for NDC. To NDC ni mapa, and NDC for pay bibi ayakatechi. Tiasi ya koko pay bibi de bon wo. Enkusiaga. Kachiramo.
Never.
It's more court evidence and we're not in there, but I swear the and it's a sextortion. So why now you make a chase sextortion? But the Jidia is Sika, and I'm the Jidia. Sammy Penarino. Waiting and the whole cyber security ever after Kadachi. Wait. Now, Bobby, my principle is principle. I won't come after you with all the information I have about you. I won't come after you. I won't. Because you know, be Penyah. I have 2 principles when it comes to a friendship. Friendship, either you are committed to the friendship or you respect the friendship. So, you know, either say you are committed to them. And I say, but commitment to the friendship. You can decide that tomorrow I don't want to be friends with you again. There is nothing that must stop that. But in the course of your friendship, if you got to know something which is their secret, in all fairness, you must respect that.
Precisely.
And now you bring me info. Men can abonte. But sawusu and obey. If you say walk any bre. When it comes to destroying my reputation, any day, anytime, I will defend it with my life.
Exactly.
I'm not interested in coming after you. And Sister Subania Kokotna 2 hours. And me catch the police for Nenra. And say, and so will be a sextortionist. Me ko Afrifa there. If you as a man so pan and pay. And I caught Rudy can wa undi be. Now social media court no competent jurisdiction. Nyamo tribunal so one more year. It is all sextortionist on Fanko court.
Ubet match rawa dwende amame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Media. Accra.